What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this 2014 Honda Accord. If you have a 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord, you want to do this little mod. We got these side mirrors right here. This is what they look like. These are custom, okay? These are custom made. A guy on Facebook, you can find them. And it does have a little turn signal light, and they're electrical, so they fold on their own. So it does come with a wiring harness over here. There's a little bit Kuna here, and there's a second mirror right there. So we're gonna be doing both sides. I'll show you one side, and we'll show you how to take out this panel right here. So you do need to remove this panel, reroute the wire. They're gonna go inside all the way to the other side and run into that switch, connectors, and then probably into a fuse box. And let's see how long the process. Okay, so let's begin by removing this panel over here. To remove the panel first, we're gonna take that off. So just follow our steps. So you need a small pick. This little cover comes out. Inside you're gonna have those two screws. Pull on the handle if you want. Best would be if you take the window down, but our battery is dead, so we're gonna charge up the battery. And what we're gonna do next is okay, so get a flathead screwdriver, just lift this guy up softly. This is another piece. If you want to change carbon fiber, you can find it online, custom made. Disconnect the connector right there. You got a one screw looking at you right there. Just yank on it really hard. This little tweeter here comes out. So we gotta, this is also custom. So after that, you just lift it up, and you got a whole bunch of stuff over here. If you want to remove these, you can remove these right here. So we're gonna put the speaker to the side. Okay, so next, what we'll do is, we're gonna remove the whole handle, and all it has is a little retainer. Right? Yeah. Hold on to it. Put it away. My arm hurt, my arm hurt. Alright, so just these two little retainers right here, you're gonna pop them out. And there's another one there. Once you have the panel removed, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out this connector here. Push on the tab, the connector comes out. There's a little retainer here. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a fork to remove this guy. So just wiggle, wiggle, push, push. There's like a little tabs inside. Once this is out, you will see. So pretty much you're squeezing on the edges right there and on the opposite side. Okay, now we're gonna remove the 3 number 10s, 1, 2, 3, and this should just come right off. Okay, so 3 number 10s. Remember, like I said, if you have the window open, it'll be easier. So I'm gonna grab the mirror from this end just in case, but it might not fall out that easy. Okay, I don't have a good grip on that. So just squeeze on the connector right there and push back. You got it?
Yeah, we got it.
And there you go. The little guy is out. Okay, so we got our new mirror right here. This is the new mirror. Yeah, look, you can see our camera. Push and just check the outside if everything is aligned. Even if you're changing a broken side mirror, the process would be same. Just don't follow along with the rest of the videos and you just connect it and everything should be easy. So he's gonna line this guy, make sure everything's nice and straight, and then we'll put the bolts in. Okay, so I missed a little bit of action, so we put 3 bolts in, nuts, 1, 2, 3. And these, just hand tighten them. You don't want to go crazy. You don't want to strip the whole stud from the inside. So you're gonna just snug them softly. Go evenly on each little nut, and pay attention to the other side. And once it secures, that's it. And the connector goes in. Okay, just doesn't end the job on this guy. If you change the mirror, that's it. But other than that, we are going to be running 2 wires from right there. We're going to find the correct wire. That's for the turn signal over here. That's what that's going to be for. So we're going to look for the wires, and I'm going to show you which color we're going to be once everything is routed and in there. I'm going to show you that. Okay, so we got the box here. One of the connectors that comes with the box, this is the wire goes up. It connects right here to the door here. Then you got the 2 connectors. You see these cables here? You're gonna have these cables. This is the connector that goes into your switch, to this switch right here. Right here, this is where it goes. Oh, this is where it goes to the switch of the windows, of the mirrors. So pretty much it splits it, and then the module here gets all the signal from here, and then you have this connector gonna connect right there. That's how that goes. And then you have the 2 cables, this purple and
brown,
and the brown one here. This is the same cable, goes on the opposite side. We still got the harness. You see this? The long harness, just one long cable, which is gonna run through the other side of the car. So what this controls is, so let's see where this goes. The brown one, the purple one, where did you connect the purple one to?
the blue.
To the blue one on this side of the connector.
This is the ground.
Okay. And then the brown one
Is the power to the green.
to the green here. So there you go. There's a green here and a blue one here. Right next to that green one is this is what, pink?
Great.
Gray. And right next to that is a black. So that's the row that you're gonna connect to.
So this is gonna make your mirrors folded.
Yeah, so you're gonna close and fold the mirrors. We're gonna demonstrate that in a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we have 2 more cables.
2 more cable for the signal light. There's gonna be something
So pretty much this harness does not have any wires that controls your signals. You have to run your
the
own.
signal is coming here when the car is you know, ASL, but this is the LS.
Okay.
So this is the simple model. And the simple model is coming without the signal lights on the mirror.
So we ran our own cables. You see
we
this?
run their own cables.
These are the
for
cables
the signal
that
light.
coming
All goes
from
to the front.
It's coming all the way to. I'm going to show you that under the hood. So we have the black one here, right?
Yeah, black
The
to
black.
the black,
To the black,
and the yellow to the white one.
and this yellow one comes and connects to this white cable,
This all the way in the back here.
and it's the white one over here. So So black is here and white is over there.
That's it.
And that's it. All right, so let's demonstrate a little bit. You wanna do that?
I don't know what's to test it right now.
Want me to put the jump on? Okay, oh, we're not ready yet because we still gotta, these are the two cables we showed you under the hood. We still gotta connect these two. So we're not ready yet, so we are gonna demonstrate. So pretty much, okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a power from the jump box so you can see as soon as the turn signals turn on here, your flashers, they will send power to your signals there, to the mirror. But that you have to connect down here, but we're just gonna test it on the jump box here. So check this out. So what he's gonna do is connect positive and negative here. There you go. See that? That's how your turn signals are gonna be flashing, just like that. And now we're gonna try to fold and unfold. Two little pins right here. We created these two pins. What we did was we're gonna walk all the way down here. You can see things are shredded on the floor, and we pretty much broke an old oxygen sensor. We took the pins, like this one has the pin right here. We took the pins out of that for both sides. That's what we used. So that's what you're gonna use. So he's gonna finish everything up, and then we'll fold and unfold the mirrors. Okay, so it's finished. Connected all the wires, and we're gonna give it a try. Go ahead. There you go. Open. So as soon as you unlock, the mirrors open up. And you got the turn signal, there you go. They flash with that. So the wiring is very simple and easy. All you have to do is run some wires from here to there, and from here to the turn signals down here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.